Hi Kinder, Miss Arsenal here. This week's lesson is on volleying and striking. For this lesson, you will need a balloon. This is a 12-inch balloon and I blew it up pretty much as big as I could get it. And you also need a racket. I'm using a tennis racket. If you don't have one, you can create your own with the paper plates and a ruler. I just turned the paper plate upside down, placed the ruler down the center of it, and it's kind of flimsy. Mine is. So I suggest you slide your ruler down a little farther, and then I just taped here. Okay, now I can use this as a racket or a paddle. Okay, so three things we're going to be doing today. The first is keep it up. I'm going to try to keep the balloon in the air by paddling it with my palm. Notice that I'm keeping my palm straight. I don't have to swing hard. I just have to kind of keep my hand steady. And when the balloon bumps it, it automatically rises, travels away from my palm. Okay. Now you're going to challenge yourself to see how many hits you can get with the balloon in the air without it touching the ground. So how many times can I strike the balloon without it touching the ground? Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use either hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 24, 28, 36, 62, 88, 100. We're going to stop here. Remember, the key is to keep your palm straight and steady. Try not to so much chase the balloon. Just let the balloon land in your hand and give it a gentle push, not a forceful swing. And next thing we're going to do is target practice. It's called bullseye. You're going to want to create a target for your balloon to land on. Last time I used a basket, but that was a little challenging. So I'm going to use a flat surface if you guys can see that. You can use a piece of paper. You can use a folder. That's what I'm using. You can use a notebook. You can use a pillow. But you're going to want to stand a good distance away and then try to serve underhanded the balloon and make it land on your target. Okay. When we serve underhanded, we're going to face our chest towards our target. We're going to hold the balloon in our non-dominant hand. So this is a hand that I use to write or to draw. This is my dominant hand. So I'm going to hold the balloon in the opposite hand with my dominant hand, I'm going to make a fist, and then I am going to rest my thumb along the side of my fist. I'm going to lock my wrist so I cannot rotate or flex it. It's locked. And when I'm ready to serve, instead of tossing the balloon up, I'm just going to let it go and then hit. Okay? So let me reposition myself. Okay, chest to the target. Step forward with a non-dominant foot or the opposite foot. Lock my wrist. Make a shelf with my non-dominant hand. The balloon is resting there. Swing arm back and forward. Let the balloon go and hit. And I hit the corner of my target. If you have a bigger target, then that might be better. So now I'm going to try to use my pillow. Notice the pillow is bigger than the folder. Okay. You can always increase the distance between your body and the pillow. For this sake of this video, I really can't because my camera, if I scoot it too far, then you won't be able to see it. Okay, so that is called bullseye. Create a target with a preferably a flat surface. If we were in class, the ideal target would be a hula hoop. So a large target, but it's flat. Okay, and you're practicing your underhand serving. The last thing we're going to do is paddle up. So this is where you will need your paddle. I'm going to use a tennis racket just because I have it on hand. Again, you can use your paper plates and your ruler, or you can also use your folder as a paddle. But the idea is this time you're not going to be using your palm. You're using an object to keep the balloon up. Okay, so first I'm just going to practice paddling the balloon in the air. Notice that my paddle is parallel to the floor. Just like when I was using my palm, I'm not swinging the paddle high. I'm just kind of letting the balloon land on the paddle and gently tapping it up. Okay, so now I'm going to challenge you to do keep it up with the paddle. So let's call it paddle up. How many times can we paddle the balloon up without letting it touch the floor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Keep your eyes on the balloon. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 100. Remember, you can modify the objects, you can modify the distance when you are creating a target and you're doing the bullseye. You can also modify the object that you are hitting. So if this was a little challenging for you, then if you have a beach ball or a larger balloon, then you can do that. The larger the object, the easier it should be for you to hit it. If this is too easy, then you can go a little bit smaller. Just make sure the object is soft. So if you do miss it and it happens to hit you, then you will not be injured. When we're doing the last portion, the paddle it up, you can also modify the racket. This should be easier because the racket surface is a lot larger. This one is smaller, so this one might be a little more challenging for you. Okay, have fun.